Hello again and welcome back to QuoHR. In today's video, I will show you how to organize departments in QuoHR, ensuring your teams are well structured and aligned for success. Let's get started. On the left hand side of your dashboard, look for the option labeled Department and click on it. Once you're in, you'll see a list of departments that have already been added. This is where you can edit or delete the department as needed. To create new department, head over to the top right corner of the page where you see a button that says new department. Click on it and you land on this page where it shows a form. Here it is asking to fill the basic details starting with the department name. Here you have to enter the department name. For example, let's input customer support team. Move to the next thing, which is asking for the department head. Select the head of department from the drop down. This will ensure that there's a designated leader for the team. Let's choose this one. Okay, for the employee list, choose the employees who will be part of this department by selecting their names from the list. Let's say all of them. Now, in this section, add a brief description of the department. For example, this department handles customers' inquiries and ensures client satisfaction. Now, this feature here is specially used for teams working from different offices. For example, if your customer support team is based in a separate location, you can assign that location here for a better experience. But we'll do that in the next video. For now, we'll go with clicking create new department, and that's it. Your new department is now added and visible in the list. Organizing department in QuoHR is quick and incredibly efficient. Structuring your teams this way will help you stay organized and streamline your workflow. In the next video, we'll talk about managing location for the whole company. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the new tutorial.